किया है।
राजस्थान का थार डेजर्ट दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा आबादी वाला डेजर्ट है। पानी की शदीद किल्लत और माहौल की मौजूदा सूरत हाल के बावजूद ये रेगिस्तान अजीम तहजीब का गहवारा है और पानी इसका अटूट हिस्सा रहा है। इस रेगिस्तान को पानी की हिफाजत की सबसे अनोखी मिसाल के तौर पर माना जाता है और यही हमें पानी के साथ हमारे रिश्तों के बारे में एक बार फिर से सोचने के लिए मजबूर करता है। मिशन पानी की खास रिपोर्ट।
स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी।
I am Neeraj and I run this business called Heritage Water Walks. I conduct water-based cultural tours at Nahargarh Fort, Amer Palace and Ramgarh Dam. It is basically the whole tour that I have designed is about showcasing the culture of water in Rajasthan, or rather you can say that the culture or the traditions of Rajasthan have been deeply influenced by water or lack thereof it. There are 25 deserts in the world, but this is the only desert, Thar, which is living desert. People have been living inside the desert for thousands of years. And how did they do it? We shift colonies, places and sell our houses if the moment the water level security goes down. But these people have been living over here and I am part of it. Our food, our traditions, belief, art, culture, architecture, history, everything has water in it. I think over a period of time we have realized the value of heritage and increasingly we are becoming more conscious about it. People are identifying these heritage resources which are spread across the country. We have millions of these pieces around our cities and towns and villages. The tank behind me is Rang De Basanti Baoli because Aamir Khan shot his movie over here and that's why it has become famous. The water is secured from the forest outside and it's stored in this tank. The purpose of this tank was to provide water for the army standing in the fort. Our ancestors made this place livable, a completely desert, vanished place, beautiful and culturally rich. So what I think coming from Rajasthan is that the scarcity is more in my mind than in the physical, and you can change that scarcity into abundance if you apply your head to it.
स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी।
हाथरस सहाफी गिरफ्तारी मामले में